This video training series is brought to you by Friday People, the National Lottery Community Fund and Proud Business Productions. Okay, now we're going to edit the video. Why should you edit? Well, first of all, you're going to remove all those bits of the interview that you didn't need. Maybe it's that gap before you start talking. Maybe you started a sentence and made a mistake. You can get rid of that. Next, it allows you to add the B-roll on top to actually tell the story that you're trying to tell. And you can add things like music as well. And it's amazing how much just adding a bit of music can completely change the atmosphere of a video. So by the end of this, you're going to know how to edit a full video. So this is the software we're going to be using. It's called VN or Vlog Now, and it's really good because well, it's free and you can use it on a computer or you can use it on mobile and tablet, and the interface is basically the same. So no matter what you're working on, it looks the same. So in this first video, I'm going to just show you a quick run through of the program because it can look a bit confusing when you first see it, and then we're going to import the footage and take it from there. So first of all, we want to click on New Project. What do we have here then? Well, up the top, this is where you can find all your different elements that you're going to add to your video. So Stocks is where you add your footage, and you can actually create folders to keep them all organized. So I've got two here that are two separate videos, but we'll come back to that in a minute. If you wanted to add photos from your phone or anything like that, you can do it here. You can add titles as well. So this one is a date. You could have a location. You can also have like your name or something like that on screen. You can also add your music as well. And if you got any music on your phone that you wanted to use or on your computer, you can have it here as well, or you can import it in. And then you have sound effects as well if you wanted to add some sound effects. So moving down, this is what's called the timeline, and this is where we're going to add all our different elements. So here you can see you're going to have a video timeline or a video layer. Move up and then we can add, this will add B-roll on top of it, and then we got the title layer and music layer as well. And this will make a lot more sense when we start getting into it. Once we've got the timeline then there, we can zoom in and out on the timeline. This bit here is known as your playhead. So this is where the video is currently playing. And then down the bottom here, we have all these different things that we can add to the video. These are going to be grayed out for now because we haven't got anything on there, but you can add special effects to your video. You can trim the video, so you're taking off the start or the end. You can extract the audio, so you separate the audio from the video layer. Duplicate, split. I mean, we'll get into all these because we're actually going to be using these quite a lot. And then over here on the right, we have things like filter, adding filters. So if you think like Instagram filters, changing the colors. This is to change the speed if you want to speed up or slow down. Audio, background, and we don't really need to look at these. So let's add our footage into the program. So I'm going to click on Stocks. I'm going to create a new library. I'll right click, create new library, and this is about my dog, so I'm just going to call it Cleo. And then we want to click on import stock. This is going to open up your files on your computer. I've already got it to the folder where I'm going to be importing my footage from, but just search on your computer and find all your footage and then just click open, and you'll see after it's finished processing that it's imported the footage over here. So now we have our footage in. That's going to be the end of this lesson, and for the next lesson we're going to actually start building our video.